अस्सलाम वालेकुम एस्पिरेंट्स वेलकम बैक। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे मई 2023 के करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में। इसमें नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल सारे करंट अफेयर्स इंक्लूडेड होंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। On May 30, the Brasilia consensus was reached at the regional summit convened by Dash President Ecuadorian, Brazilian, Argentinian, Cuban. The right answer is Brazilian. On May 30, Dash won a record equaling fifth IPL title. Mumbai Indians, Rajasthan Royals, Chennai Super Kings, Gujarat Titans. The right answer is Chennai Super Kings. On May 29, NATO's newest member Dash kicked off military air exercises involving over a dozen countries and a total of 150 aircraft. Sweden, Croatia, Lithuania, Finland. The right answer is Finland. On May 29, Kyiv's parliament approved a sanctions package against Daesh, Iran, Iraq, China, India. The right answer is Iran. On May 29, Dutch Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez called for a snap election on July 23. Spanish, Icelandic, Norwegian, Greek. The right answer is Spanish. On Dash, Indian Premier Narendra Modi inaugurated his country's new parliament May 22, May 24, May 28, May 30. The right answer is May 28. On May 27, Justin Treat's Anatomy of a Fall won the Palme d'Or at the Cannes Film Festival. 74th, 75th, 76th, 79th. The right answer is 76th. On May 24, Saudi Arabia and Daesh announced to restore full diplomatic relations. Iraq, Iran, Syria, Canada. The right answer is Canada. On May 21, PM Kyriakos Mitsotakis' New Democracy Party won general election in Dash, South Africa, Greece, Norway, Ireland. The right answer is Greece. On May 21, Dash poet and novelist Zahran Al-Qasmi was named winner of International Prize for Arabic Fiction. Kuwaiti, Qatari, Omani, Jordanian. The right answer is Omani. On May 20, the Daesh launched International Pathogen Surveillance Network to help swiftly detect the threat from infectious diseases. UN Women, European Union, African Union, WHO, World Health Organization. So the right answer is WHO. On May 20, the 32nd summit of the Arab League concluded in Daesh, Kuwait City, Baghdad, Manama, Jeddah. The right answer is Jeddah. On May 17, Daesh women beat Myanmar to win gold at the Southeast Asian Games. Thailand's, Vietnam's, Japan's, China's. The right answer is Vietnam's. On May 16, the head of Daesh Supreme Court, Viswolod Knezev, was arrested in a bribery inquiry. Ukraine's, Austria's, Russia's, Ireland's. The right answer is Ukraine's. On May 30, Justice Iqbal Hamidur Rahman was appointed the Chief Justice of Dash for 3 years. Federal Shariat Court, Lahore High Court, Islamabad High Court, Sindh High Court. The right answer is Federal Shariat Court. On Dash, the Supreme Court Review of Judgments and Order Act 2023 became a law. May 27, May 29, May 30, May 31. The right answer is May 29. On May 29, Pakistan and Daesh signed an agreement to boost cooperation in naval affairs. Belgium, Bulgaria, Indonesia, Greece. The right answer is Bulgaria. On May 28, the CAA launched a landing operation for flights during night at Dash International Airport, Sialkot, Gwadar, Bahawalpur. None of these. The right answer is Gwadar. On Daesh, Pakistan received first direct container ship from Russia. May 25, May 26, May 27, May 28. The right answer is May 25. On Daesh, the Federal Shariat Court observed that any law, rule, or regulation giving a person's gender legal precedence over sex was illegal. May 16, May 17, May 19, May 20. The right answer is May 19. The Poland-Gubbed electricity transmission line from Iraq to Gwadar will provide dash megawatt of electricity 50, 75, 90, 100. The right answer is 100. On Daesh, the National Assembly passed the Contempt of Majlis-e-Shura Parliament Bill 2023, May 16, May 17, May 18, May 20. The right answer is May 16. On May 30, Daesh won the Quaid-e-Azam Trophy as the 34th National Games formally closed. Punjab, Wapda, Army, Navy. The right answer is Army. On May 26, Punjab's 14-year-old Dash became the youngest swimmer to win a gold in the national games. Asjad Hussain, Manan Kamil, Mohid Sadiq, Asad Ijaz. The right answer is Mohid Sadiq. Pakistan's per capita income in dollar terms currently is $1780, $1665, $1610, $1568. The right answer is $1568. Mosam Ahmed Khan is Pakistan's current High Commissioner in Dash, Canada, Australia, UK, Malaysia. The right answer is UK. On May 24, former Attorney General Irfan Khatir was again appointed as a PM on Dash, Finance, Accountability, Human Rights, Law and Order. The right answer is Accountability. On May 23, PM Shehbaz Sharif appointed former Ambassador Asif Ali Khan Durrani as Pakistan's Special Representative for Dash, Afghanistan, China, UNHCR, SCO. The right answer is Afghanistan. On May 19, Pakistan and China signed an agreement to establish a sister city link between Murree and Daesh City, Guilin, Dujingyan, Chengdu, Xi'an. The right answer is Dujingyan. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia signed an agreement for the start of the Road to Makkah project on Dash May 15, May 16, May 17, May 18. The right answer is May 17. On May 16, Pakistan's Naila Kiani successfully ascended Mount Lose, the world's dash highest mountain, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. The right answer is 4th. Pakistan has won silver medal in the Junior Hockey Asia Cup 2023 after losing to Dash in the final. Bangladesh, Malaysia, India, Japan. The right answer is India. On May 17, Nepali Sherpa Kami Rita scaled Mount Everest for record dash time 20th, 22nd, 27th, 45th. The right answer is 27th. On May 21, the WHO's annual assembly opened in Dash, Geneva, Beijing, Brussels, Amsterdam. The right answer is Geneva. On May 29, Kiev's parliament approved a sanctions package against Daesh, Iran, Iraq, China, India. The right answer is Iran. On May 27, Daesh presented an ambitious plan to turn itself into a regional transportation hub. Saudi Arabia, Iraq, UAE, Lebanon. The right answer is Iraq. On May 25, Daesh Defense Ministry unveiled a new ballistic missile Khyber. Turkey's, Iran's, Indonesia's, Qatar's. The right answer is Iran's. On Daesh, the US House of Representatives passed bill to suspend $31.5 trillion debt ceiling May 31, June 1, June 2, June 3. The right answer is May 31. And that's it for today. Thank you.